Hello everyone. We are the Superteam TriBot Racing Alliance, and we consist of these three teams: Potato Cooking from China, IFBOTICS from Brazil, and Nutella Brötchen from Germany. Our chosen sport is Formula One, a car race. Formula One is the highest race in the all car racing international. So you can see there are many cars that race on a track, and the goal is, of course, to be the first one at the finishing line. That's what we do with these vehicles here. Why did we choose this sport? You may wonder now. Well, you can see that every team from us has a fitting robot for this topic. Brazil has already a truck. We from Germany have our bus as well. And China has good driving robots that we managed to look like a vehicle as well. So here's a quick overview of how we came up with this presentation and everything. First of all, we had to present our robots to the other teams so that we know what they are capable of and what they can do. Then we chose this sport and chose which robots will be the participants and which robots, like these two, will be the ones cheering for them. And then we had to change a bit of hardware. We're going to tell about that soon. And the software, we had to make new programs. And finally, we practiced a bit in the morning.
Our goal was to put a medium robot into our driving robot so that it looks more like an actual vehicle. The problem was that there wasn't enough space. Finally, we managed to remove the gripper arm and even make the structure of our robot wider in order to get the medium fit in.
No nosso robô do Mundial, nós mudamos alguns sensores.
In our robot from the worldwide, we changed some sensors.
Sendo ele o principal sensor ultrassônico,
being the principal the ultrasonic sensor,
para comunicação com um membro da nossa equipe.
For the communication with a member of their team.
E também mudamos o código do nosso robô.
And they also changed the code for the programmation.
Para que ele pudesse executar agora a dança da capoeira.
For now, in the presentation, he do the dance of the capoeira.
Another thing we changed, that we put an April tag on the Chinese robot, so the minion can follow the robot and stay with his friend in the performance. We fixed a few actions of the robots. We wrote new programs so they fit together and the performance is dynamic. And then we had to practice and to adapt all velocities because the robots don't drive at the same velocity.
So now have fun with our performance. Mache ich jetzt? 3, 2, 1, go.
We are doing car racing today. This means that we have many cars that try to get to the finish as first as possible, that you can see here. But the competition has to be safe, and this is rule number 1. Every robot has to wear a helmet. Otherwise, they can damage their heads. So now, everybody's safe. We can go on now. The second rule is that every robot has to be in its vehicle. So you see, Bob is getting into his vehicle as well now. Very good, Bob. So as everybody is in the vehicle now, we can go on. Maybe we can have a first start. I hope everything is going to be fine. But look, something went wrong. Oh, I think Bob didn't close his door. This is rule number 3. Everybody has to be safe in their car. So you see, Bob is closing his door now. As everybody is safe and nobody can fall out, we can start. What do you think? Are you ready? Oh no, China, what do? You're starting too early. No, you have to go back, Stuart. So everybody has to start equally. This is rule number 4. You can only go if the 3, 2, 1, go is on the screen. Thank you a lot, China. So if everybody's ready, let's go. 3, 2, 1. But what happened? The first car accident in the beginning? Oh no, this is rule number 5. If there is a yellow flag, everybody has to be very quiet. So because Bob had an accident, everybody else don't race too fast.
Be careful, there is a pufferfish. Don't come up with him.
But Brazil already won.
Oh,
Let's celebrate
congratulations!
together. So we are going to dance the Brazil capoeira now. Thank you. Let's celebrate together. Brazil won. The cheering robots are also cheering for them. They have pom-poms now. Thank you so much, Brazil.
So this was our race. We hope you were entertained and had a lot of fun. Thank you for your attention.